Okay, now the next exercise we're going to learn today will be the deadlift. That shows you how to hinge. We went through that. Now Lucas is going to go down. He's going to repeat that hinge and go right down into the deadlift to pick up the weight. Now, before he picks up the weight, there's a couple things you want to make sure. He wants to make sure his core is engaged. You want to make sure he has a good neutral spine. The next thing I want him to do is pull his shoulders back towards his hips. That's going to engage the lats. Once he feels that tension here and tension here, he's going to grasp the kettlebell, drive the hips up, stand nice and tall, right? And he's going to return back into the hinge position and then pick it up again, right? The whole time you want to make sure he's engaged here in these lats, right? Oh, and then come back up again. Good. Let's do a couple more of these, all right? You can do approximately 8. Once again, you can do about 8 reps. Rest for about 30 seconds. Repeat that. So 3 sets of 8 reps with about 30 seconds rest in between, okay? Good. Exhale. Now the other part is your breathing. As he goes down, he wants to inhale. A little sip of air. Exhale, stand right up. Good. Inhale. Exhale, stand right up. Excellent.